Alright, so hello and welcome back to another episode of Satisfactory. Well, it's been a little bit. Um, Actually, I had a couple other games that I was looking at, but I was really thinking about this, what we're going to do here for the steel. We do have the two pure nodes here for iron, and I was looking around hemming and hawing about what to do. So I do one more quick scan. If we back up over this way and to take a look, I realize that there's the waterfall, and our coal is up there. Do a quick scan. I don't know why I clicked the mouse button. I'll do a quick scan. There should be a claim node up there already. Yeah, 676 meters, whereas these other unclaims are 941, 802. That's a lot further of a distance. So I'm thinking I might bring, there's this like almost walkway. I was almost thinking I might go up to that node, ship it off the side, drop it down, and bring it along this walkway over here, or this rockway. And then put it into, we'll build a steel factory up here. Now, in previous buildings, what I've done before is I'd bring all the resources to it and then kind of build the factory around where I brought things in at. And I'm thinking I might, in this case, just start building up the factory, put down the miners, build out the foundations, figure out where I want to, how much I want to create of stuff. So build the factory first, and then bring the coal down, and let the design of the machines in the factory determine where I want the coal to come in, where I want the iron to come in, instead of bringing it all into the building and then figuring machines around the inputs. Build the factory and the machines, and then make the inputs fit the building and the machines. That's probably going to make a whole lot more sense. If that was followed. I know it wasn't super clear. Sorry about that. So let's just clear off these. Excellent. That's one down. And two down. Do I have enough material on me for... Let's see, we're going to need two miners. So let's add those to the wish list here, or the build list. And we're going to need all kinds of frames. I know we're going to need to make ingots. Let's look at the codex for a second. Parts. We're going to be able to make... We're going to need concrete too. Actually, not yet. We don't have reinforced steel beam yet, do we? No. All right, so we're going to want to make versatile framework, which takes modular frame and steel beam, steel pipe. So I really just want to make steel beam and steel pipe. So that's what I'm going to focus on for up here right now. Okay. Let me see if I can figure out how many I want to make of each. And I'll come up with a little floor plan. All right, we'll catch you in a minute. Okay, I think I figured this out. At first I was going to try to just do versatile frameworks up here, but I'm going to stick to just the steel parts. And so those are, for right now, going to be steel pipe and steel beam. I think I figured out that I could make 22 steel pipe and 21 steel beam per minute each there, respectively. And for that, I'm going to need 2.6 foundries, so call it 3. 2 constructors for the steel pipe and 2 constructors for the steel beam. But the second constructor of each of those is going to have to be underclocked somehow. So I think we're going to have to unlock overclocking in the MAM. Or just let it do its thing. So don't need a ton of room. 3 foundries and some constructors. So yeah, we can come out here. Let's first lay some foundations, I think. We have this and this. Start at higher. Yeah, I'm just going to lay foundations on these, and we'll, again, I'll figure out the factory itself in a bit. Oh, I know what I want to do. here's a trick I learned. Do I? Oh shoot! No, I need portable miners to be. I want to place down the miners so that I can make things even, and then I'll worry about bringing it to the factory. So let's take a look at where I want the factory then. Thinking, since the nodes are there and there, I start the factory somewhere about here, maybe. I have to do some obstacle clearance here, I think. But let's go for a foundation, and let's make it a big one. The 4-meter world grid. Won't be too close to the nodes. Oh, I'm not in zoop mode. That's all right. At least let me hop up here. And let me hit zoop. Go that way. Yeah, that'll work. I'm gonna make it bigger to start with because we're gonna want to expand. But as we get, the Mark III belts and whatnot, those will just increase the amount of ore we can get. Mark III belts, Mark II miner, all that sort of stuff. It changes the how fast the resources come out from a pure node versus normal and whatnot. And I'll get into that in a little bit. But I think we have enough foundation for the moment. So let me run around and E to pick up leaves. So we're going to be picking up leaves in our factory for a long time. I'll just run around and grab leaves. And I know you're supposed to be able to hold the E down. So once you picked one up, right, hold your E button down, or your E key on the keyboard. Then you should be able to run up to others. As long as you've kept it held, it should just keep collecting. You don't have to press E every single time you're going to collect. Just hold it down while you're doing the thing. And there we go. Looks like our foundation is pretty clear. Get this in the corner. All right. So, what I'm thinking, I think I want to go up some stories. So I need foundries and then constructors. So, yeah, but I could do one level because it's not huge. On the bigger factories, I think I might want to put, drive all the raw resource up to the top floor. Do the foundries up there because they produce smoke. They could have little smokestacks. Then pipe them down to another floor below for some construction. And then maybe further down for assembly as we get further. And need those, but we don't right now. So I want to leave at least one in the middle. So let's do, how many do I got? 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ooh, I'm 11 wide. Okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe this one would be about center-ish. But can we put wrong button? First need foundries. Do I have enough? No. Need rotors. So let's put the foundries on the list here. I'm gonna need 3 of those, and constructors, I'm gonna need 4 of those. Oh yeah. And then of course belts. So I need Mark II and Mark III, Mark II and Mark I belts. So I'm gonna have to go back to the main base and pick up some of this stuff to make sure we have enough. Oh, I need modular frames too. All right, let me go collect those items, and I'll be back with you. All right, so I'm back from the main base. I got all the materials we need to build our buildables, factory equipment. I was thinking about it too. I think I want to make an attempt at the underfloor routing of things, and this is a relatively smaller project to try it on. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the foundations here. I'm going to build another 4-meter, but on top, like that. And then, I might be doing this wrong, but that's okay. I'm going to go back to a 1-meter, put that there. Just kind of zoop that, get rid of this. How we're doing this? Yeah. It gives us room to walk underneath, figure it out. I'm going to go ahead and... Hello. Little mouse button, there we go. I'm going to make it same grid as what's on the floor. I'll figure out, so I gotta figure out some way to get up into it. That's one thing I need to do as well. That'll be fun. Go here, then from here, on here, +1, and then from here, all the way down, +1, and from here, all the way down. Oh, it's repetitive. I might speed it up, I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, I've been enjoying some other games too. Hopefully you get the chance to check those videos out if it's your style of thing. It's not simple, peaceful base building, but Plague Tale videos, man, I honestly did not, I'm not the type of person that would like that kind of game, but it just blew me away. It was amazing. Anyway, how do I want to get up there? Let's make kind of a stairway, maybe? That for architecture. Catwalk stairs. Oh, I could do that. That'll get us up there. Oh, wait. But before I do that, you need to make sure we figure out our wall situation. We're going to want a doored wall, probably in the middle. Build the one. Then I'll come down to architecture and get the catwalk stairs. Yeah, there we go. Now we'll be able to walk up. Oh, that's going to be cool. Do I have windowed walls yet? I do. These all cost the same, so I'm thinking start with this. We'll probably remove some of these walls when we figure out where the resources are going to come in from. But this is going to look pretty cool, I think. Look at that. We're in a fishbowl. Oh. We got stairs to get up there. All right, that is pretty cool. Worry about the rest of the decorations later. All right, so let's lay out our little floor plan. I believe I'm going to want... where do I want the product to come out? Want some easy access. Maybe thinking... Got rid of that. And then did a 1. Can't do it down here. Oh, that's a bummer. Right, never mind. Can I do a one in front? No, it wants to clip to the top. All right, well, can I fit, let's see, container in here? No. Oh, wait, yeah, I can. All right, so I want to turn it around, and the stairs up into the factory. You know what? Maybe we'll just put it up there. We'll just run up into the factory, turn right, and there will be a storage container. Yeah, that'll work. Right, and then we'll put floor hole here. Not tab, Q. Logistics. Floor hole. Not directly under it, but in front of it. And then we should be able to do that. Cool. So now, that means I really want the production to go from foundries back here. So let's do foundries. How wide are we? We need 3 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we should be fine. If I put these in the center here, kind of ish. One. Two. Oh, not quite centered. So they're bigger. Okay. Oh, let's redo that. What I did there is I pointed at one, I just clicked control for a second. And that actually unselected it. Let's do that again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point at this one, I'm going to just click control and release. Then I can point at the next one I want, hit control and release. Point at that one, hit control and release, and they're all selected. I can just get rid of them. Okay, so let's try it again. Foundry, but this time I want to make sure I'm at least 1 brick away. So let's start here. Maybe. Well, still not quite centered, but I guess it's all right for now. All right, and now I need 4 constructors. So 4 constructors, and they take up a brick. Right? Yeah. Be 1. Wait. Yep, I have it right. 2. 3. Oh no. whatever, 4. All right, so it's not pretty. So we have our machines, and that's it. Oh, I need 2 of these, by the way. 1 for the steel beams, 1 for the steel pipes. Oh, let's take care of that. Can't wait to unlock signs. I did look, by the way, we did unlock overclocking already. So that'll work out. All right, so we're going to need iron and coal for each of these. So time for the floor connectors. We're going to logistics, conveyor lift. Like there. Not too far away. 7. So we need Mark 2s. Yep, that's too far away. Try it again. And conveyor lift hole. Not right under it, but 1 step back. 7. E. Yeah, that worked. All right. Conveyor lift holes. No. What? There we go. There. All right, that's going to be for the iron and coal to come in. So then add these on there. And once again, 4 holes. Oh, might be too far away. Let's see. Yep, too far away. Let's try that again. Yep, that'll work. Finally, under, nope. More hole, please. There we go. Finally, under these, gonna be the input. That's wrong place. And then 7. These ones will need to be. Actually, for the steel beam, we need 84. 84 per minute. So we need to mark 2 for the steel beam. So let's put 2 of them in a mark 2. Then the other one only needs 33, so this can be a Mark 1. All right. So these here constructors, these are going to be steel pipe. One's going to be steel pipe. This one's going to be steel beam and steel beam. Now, steel beams, I'm making 21 per minute. So half of that would be 10.5. I'm gonna make one be 10 per minute. And then this one, make 11 per minute. There we go. Now the other is steel pipe is 22 units per minute, so we'll make each of these 11. That'll save us on some power too. All right. Now next is these foundries. We're going to be making steel ingots all the way across. I need to make 84 steel ingots per minute to the steel beam and 33 to the steel pipe. I have to do some splitting magic under the floor. I just think that one out real quick and I'll be right back with you.